Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram app not working on Windows 11. Click on Start. Here click on Settings. Now here click on Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. In this list you have to find out Instagram. Click on this three dot, Advanced Options. Click on Terminate. After that click on Repair. Then click on Reset. Make sure once you reset, so you need to again sign in process. Now close and restart your Instagram. So this is the way guys you can fix the Instagram app not working on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.